Welcome to the FEM2PC YouTube channel. In this video, we will quickly install and set up a Zabbix SNMP device monitoring server on FreeBSD 13.1 release. Zabbix 6.0 provides you with multiple features that allow you to implement business service monitoring by defining flexible business service trees. This Zabbix 6.0.4 installation will use Apache 2.4, MySQL 8.0, and PHP 8.0. Let's install Zabbix. I'm first going to log into my FreeBSD server with my regular username. I'm going to advance to root with su space dash. Now I've gone to the FEM2PC website. I'm going to get a shell script. So I enter into the FAMP folder, the Zabbix folder, and I want the install GZ, but I want a link to it. So I right click, copy the link, come back to my terminal. I use a FreeBSD fetch, which is similar to the Linux get, and then shift insert in PuTTY. And my install.gz file has been downloaded. So let's extract it with the tar extract file xf. And we'll check our directory contents, and we do have a zabbix.sh file, which is executable. So we'll run that by /zabbix. Okay, this is the Zabbix 6 on FAMP installation script, which is going to install MySQL 8.0 and PHP 8.0, along with the Apache 2.4 web server. Now, at the time of this script release, there was no Zabbix front end, in other words, the GUI, the web, that supported PHP 8.0. However, I was able to go to ports and manually modify the makefile and then create a package which will use PHP 8.0. It's not official, but I couldn't find any errors running the web interface. So we're going to run with this script here, and the packages will download from the FEM2PC website. We'll start our system checks, and we can see we're running FreeBSD 13.1, the release version. We have a good internet, and no software is installed on this server. So let's go ahead and start the installation. First thing is package system will be installed. Now the Apache server package is being installed. The MySQL server package is being installed. PHP 8.0, the PHP extensions, special extensions specifically for Zabbix, and the mod PHP will all be installed. Now we'll do our checks to make sure everything's been installed. Configuring the Apache server. And we're going to configure PHP. Now we can choose between a production or development. And I'm going to go with the development. That will show any errors on the web page if any errors are found in PHP. We're starting up the Apache server and starting MySQL server for the first time. The initial MySQL server has no password for the root user. So we're going to answer yes here to change password or enter a password. And we're just, for this demo, going to use a root name password. And it's asking if that's correct, and yes. Now that the FAMP has all been installed, it's time to start the Zabbix install. So we'll answer yes here. And we need to fetch packages from FAMP2PC.com server. Now we're creating the Zabbix database and stuffing it. So we've created a database and stuffed in the schema and the data. Now we're doing the Zabbix configuration automatically. Restarted the Apache server. Now we're installing the Zabbix front end. Again, this needs to download from the FAMP2PC server. Lastly is the agent, which is for FreeBSD. And basically, at this point, the script is finished and all packages have been installed. So let's open up a new browser window and connect to our server. And we can see the Apache is working. And if we check our PHP info, yeah, we can see we're using PHP version 8.0.18. So let's go to Zabbix folder. So this is the first welcome screen, and I'm going to use the default English US. And you can see that our installation script was able to make sure that all of the PHPs are correct. PHP. This is the DB connection. Now in the script, ZABBIX was the password for the user Zabbix. Our server name is FBSD131.local. And I'm going to use the default blue. And this time zone is correct. I am in Taipei. So this is our summary. And now we're going to see that we've successfully installed the Zabbix front end. And the username is admin with the uppercase A. And the password is Zabbix. And voila. We are now logged into the Zabbix front end. And that is the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. Please share it. if you find it's useful. Maybe you have a friend that also wants to run Zabbix on FreeBSD. Yeah, I know it's pretty rare, but I did it. And stay tuned for more videos. I have a Cacti installation video that you can view, a FAMP video, and more to follow. So I'm signing off.